Coming up this episode, we climb the Sandblast ferry wreck with James and his crew. That's right, all on sailing into Zingaro Freedom! Morning people, it's 4:30. I'm just preparing the boat. James' boat's right next to me. This is our last chance to do the wreck together, so he has to leave early to drop off some crew, so we're going to try and do the wreck before sunrise. The wind is quite strong. I hope the waves aren't too big because it's going to be difficult to get to the wreck, but it's all good. Now I've got to wake up the crew. That's probably the most dangerous part of the whole exercise. Come on. Good morning, crew. Is that all your alarms going off? Oh, that's my alarm. Sorry, okay. I'm not allowed to film the crew until they're presentable. That's the rule, otherwise I get lynched, people. So you have to look at my mug. Everyone want to say hello? Okay, the other one is not participating. See you in a bit. I don't know if you can see me, we've got the faint colours of dawn. Still no lights over at James's boat. Hey James, wake your ass up! James, we're leaving! Alright girls, start climbing.
You didn't told us.
Yeah, start climbing. Come on. It's a perfectly good rope. Come on, who's first? Come on, we've got to be quick. Who's going?
Are you serious?
Yeah.
What? How do we climb over here? Clara, go for it.
Come on, Clara, go. I'm just kidding, people. There's a ladder on the other side.
I was like, Clara, you go.
Hey, James has arrived. Woohoo! Alright. Let's do it. Hold on and then jump off the boat. Stand up. Go, go, go. Yeah, you can go. You can go too. I'll get close again. Oh shit. Okay. Alright, we're away. So how did this ferry become wrecked? Well, the crazy owner also had a catamaran which got stranded on this reef. He then tried to tow it off, which he did successfully, but then he stranded this boat. The Panamanian government tried to sue him, and of course he jumped country. What an excellent example of a human being. Something that we see more and more often these days. How good is it to be Queen of the World, Gigi? Cold?
She's like,
I'm fine, thanks, appreciate that. I'm the one that's half naked and wet. But you don't care about me. I'm chopped liver over here.
Yeah, I'm chopped liver too. All right, sunrise.
Spider out. Just spider out.
All right, let's check out more of the boat. Oh.
Oh, it's a bag?
Oh.
Bag.
Well, it's missing a little bit of comfort. This is a geeko caveman bed. Well, actually, that would be the floor, wouldn't it? Oh, the fridge is here. I mean, the kitchen's here. Galley's here. We're in the kitchen, people. The fridge looks empty. Oh, jeez. Oh, far out. Oh, I could make a couple of good smokers in there. Couple of smokers out of those sinks, people. Well, one smoker, it'd be a damn big smoker. My goodness, it'd be huge. What's down here? Oh, yeah. Oh, there is a toilet.
Yeah.
Hey.
Hey! Hey, bit of privacy, people. Hello? Yeah, I think we hit a reef. We're on a bit of a lane. Bring some paint. Bring 2 cans of paint.
Captain, I think we might have hit a reef. The boat might be messed up.
Oh, stop being a pessimist, James. The boat is fine. Haven't you seen my vlog? You coming to the scary part? Alright, lead the way, McDuff. You want to go to the scary part?
Yeah, sure.
That's what we like. People just, yeah, okay.
It's really cool if the swell is up in here.
Downstairs. Whoa, that's spooky.
I was thinking of getting the drone and flying it in here.
Oh, jeez. Oh, wow.
So I call this the
Pretty
scary
cool.
part of the boat.
Yeah, it is.
Because usually, if the swell is up, right now it's really calm. But if the swell is up, the swell comes in here and like goes up the stairs over there. It's crazy.
You might be able to surf.
Yeah.
Bodyboard. Woohoo! And then get sucked out and do it all again.
That'd be fun. Do it like a circle.
It's like a surf.
You could have come here with your window.
Hey, Plucky, come on.
Yeah, top stuff.
Man, that almost got me. That would have hurt like hell had I.
Okay, Clara.
Thank you. Ooh, heavy. Hello. You don't have to do it.
even touch the bottom. Well, I sort of touched the bottom. You'll be fine from there. Ready, set, go! It's good, isn't it? So we enjoy that?
Yeah.
Oh, come on. Do better than that. Oh my goodness. And I said, oh, how about I make garlic, or you guys make garlic fish pasta? And what was the reaction? Woohoo! Yeah, baby! Yeah! Yeah, baby! Yeah! There was at least 3 babies in 2 years. So there you go. We know the way to a woman's heart. I thought it was to the man's heart.
Garlic fish pasta.
Gotta catch fish, otherwise I'll go through the torture. What? You didn't catch any fish? You're serious, right? You're serious? So you're joking, right? So where's the fish? What? You didn't catch any fish? All back in one piece. No one even got injured. Doesn't sound like my channel at all, actually. Come on, girls, you should try harder. This is the accident channel. What's for breakfast, Gigi?
Pancakes.
Pancakes.
Pancakes and then garlic fish. We won't starve anymore like all the other days.
Pancakes and garlic fish pasta? We won't starve anymore like all the other days, you say? I think I better make a clever comment right here, people. Oh, shush. Admittedly, not the best comeback ever. You can't get it right all the time, people. In the case of my vlog, even 30% of the time is pushing it. See you next episode.